Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 10. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is Open File Explorer. Click File, click Change Folder and search options. Open File Explorer to this PC. Check Show recently used files in Quick Access and also check Show frequently used folder in Quick Access. Click Clear, click Apply, OK. Third method is Open File Explorer. Click View. Make sure uncheck Preview pane and Details pane. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.